Have you ever wondered how to make money online without a website? Well, you're not alone. Many people dream of generating income online, and one of the most popular methods is through affiliate marketing. Now, you might be thinking, but don't I need a website for that? Not necessarily. Enter ClickBank, a global retail marketplace that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You don't need your own website, just a knack for connecting consumers with the right products. Imagine this. You're the middleman, or rather the bridge between consumers and products. Each time you successfully refer a customer, you earn a commission. That's the beauty of ClickBank. The potential for generating income is vast, and it's all about how well you can connect the dots. So, are you ready to dive into the world of ClickBank commissions without a website? Let's get started. First, you need to create your ClickBank account. It's a simple process, really. Begin by heading to the ClickBank website and clicking on the Create Account button. Follow the instructions, filling in your personal details and setting up your account preferences. Now, here's where it gets interesting. ClickBank offers a wide range of products to promote, but it's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests. Think of it as choosing your own adventure. The niche you select will guide your journey, influencing which products you promote and how you market them. Why does this matter? Well, when you're genuinely interested in your niche, it shines through in your promotions. Your authenticity can foster trust with potential customers, increasing the likelihood of successful sales. Now that you have your ClickBank account and niche, it's time to start promoting products. Remember, your success hinges on your passion and understanding of your chosen niche. Let's get started. One crucial step in making money with ClickBank is choosing the right products to promote. Now, this is where your discernment comes into play. Promoting a product is not just about picking any item that catches your fancy. It's about selecting high-quality products that will genuinely appeal to potential buyers. Let's unpack that a bit. First, consider the product's reputation. Is it well received by customers? Does it have positive reviews? Remember, your reputation is on the line too. Next, take a look at the gravity score. This number represents how many affiliates have made a sale with the product in the last 12 weeks. A high gravity score indicates a popular product that sells well. Lastly, consider the potential commission. How much will you earn per sale? Is it worth your time and effort? In conclusion, product selection is a strategic process that requires careful thought. Once you've selected a product or service, it's time to start promoting. Now, how can you promote ClickBank products without a website? Well, there are a number of strategies that can help you do just that. Firstly, social media platforms are a goldmine for promoting products. You can leverage your existing network, share engaging content, and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Secondly, there's email marketing. If you have an email list, you can send promotional emails with links to the ClickBank products. Remember, it's all about providing value to your audience and not just about selling. Finally, content marketing is another powerful tool. Platforms like Medium allow you to create and share informative content related to the products you're promoting. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, you could write an article about fitness tips and subtly include your ClickBank product in it. The key to success is creating engaging, relevant content that provides value to potential buyers. With consistent effort and the right promotion strategies, you can start earning ClickBank commissions without a website. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. First, we delved into setting up your ClickBank account, a straightforward process that's your first step towards earning online. Second, we discussed the importance of choosing a niche. Remember, it's all about finding a space where your interests align with what's popular. The more passionate you are about your chosen niche, the easier it will be to sell products within it. Next, we tackled the task of selecting products to promote. It's crucial to choose products with a good track record of sales, high commission rates, and excellent reviews. Your chosen products should resonate with your audience and offer real value. Lastly, we explored how to promote these products without a website. Using social media platforms, email marketing, and other online spaces, you can effectively reach your target audience and generate ClickBank commissions. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money online without a website. So what are you waiting for? Jump into the world of ClickBank commissions today.